one digit visual practice. 2 plus 9 minus 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 5u minus 7. That is
20.
very good. Next 6 plus 7 minus 5u plus 9 plus 5u minus 8 plus 3. That is
17.
very good. Next double digit visual practice. 82 minus 37 plus 71. That is
116.
very good. Next 31 plus 68 minus 32. That is
67.
very good. Next 93 minus 89 plus 42. That is
46.
very good. Next triple digit visual practice. 509